Good morning, guys. So this week is a little different than other weeks. I'm not even showing you my Canvas because I'm not introducing any new assignments at all. This is a STAR testing week. I have Purple Day today, which is Monday, May 3rd, but the rest of the week I will only be seeing, from what I understand, last period of all my classes, and that's only if you're a freshman and taking the STAR test. So we're not going to have a lot of people here this week. So I'm not going to introduce any assignments. By the end of today, I will have everything graded up to this point in the 6 weeks, because the end of the progress reports is this Friday, but with this progress report, I have 9 daily grades and 1 major grade, which that means all we have left to do for the 6 weeks is 1 more major grade and 1 daily grade, and I've met the criteria. So this week is designated, especially if you're not taking STAR test, there's no reason that you shouldn't get caught up on these assignments. If you go into your Skyward, you'll be able to look at what you're missing. So what I'll probably do is make another video at the end of this week and post that just to show you guys. I'll probably be sending out emails on Friday if you're below a 70, just to let you know that, hey guys, I'm missing these things from you. Please get them turned in. They're not that hard. If you see me in person, I can give you the packets that you need. I can get you whatever assignment that you need. The big one, though, is that album cover. Some of you never did that. Some of you never turned it in, and so I might have a 0 for you in my grade book. And again, I have until 4 o'clock on Monday, a week from today, to raise your grade. So anything you can turn in to me this week would be great. Hopefully you guys will use this time wisely. But other than that, if you are taking the STAR test, good luck. Guys, make sure you get your rest. Make sure you get a good breakfast before you get here. Those things are critical so that you can have full brain power so you can do well on this. That way next year, whenever they're doing STAR testing and you're a sophomore, you don't have to come to school in those days and you just get to relax and enjoy this week. We're almost done with the 6 weeks. We've got 4 weeks left, which is amazing. We're almost there, guys, through the craziest year that has been in my life as far as what's happened, and I'm sure probably yours as well, especially when it comes to education. I've never seen anything like this. But anyway, I'll shut up. I don't have much. Just watch this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll still do conference times if you have a question and would like to meet with me. Some of you email me about that. But please, I return your email, then just let me know what time, because I'm not getting anything back when it comes to what time do you want to meet. And then I get radio silence, which is cool. If you figured it out, that's fine. But if you really need help, I'd love to help you guys out. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week. Good luck. If you don't have a STAR test, enjoy your week. If you have a Purple Day, I'll see you today. And you'll just kind of get to work on whatever you're missing in my class. And if not, you get an easy day. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Adios.